we are officially locked in. And even though we could get out of the fence, there's the car. Can't even make it to the shovel. The one thing that would be of use. Welcome to the Jersey Shore. There's the house. Snow drift up to my thighs. The wind has pushed it away from the edge of the dock. Wow. Jesus. It's like the Sahara Desert by moonlight. On the back porch, facing into the wind. Wind's coming from the northeast, actually. Yeah, so they call it a northeast. And the wind is strong enough coming around the corner of the house. It's created a crater hole here. I wish you could see the river out in the darkness, completely covered with ice and snow. And there's Mom. She's taking a picture of me. And there I am, the yellow ghost in the window. And there's Puppy Girl and Pops in the background. Alright, love you, Mama. Signing off. Oh, and she's eating the snow. Get it, girl. Go get it. Go get it. Sashimi, go get it. Whoa. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh, she's getting buried. Uh-oh. Sashimi. Let's go in. We're freezing. Sashi, eat the snow. Go get the snow. Go get it. Go get it. Whoa. Sashi. Go get it. Get it. Eat the snow. Mmm, yummy. Mmm.